Myself Sagar. Today topic is polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on many forms. The most common use of polymorphism in OOP occur when a parent class reference is used to refer to a child class object. Any Java object that can pass more than one is a test is considered to be a polymorphism. In Java, all Java objects are polymorphic since any object will pass the is a test for their own type for the object class. It is important to know that the only possible way to access an object through a reference variable. A reference variable can be of only one type. Once declare the type of a reference variable cannot be changed. The reference variable can be reassigned to other object provided that it is not declare final the type of the reference variable will determine the method that it can be invoked on the object. A reference variable can refer to any object of its declared type or any subtype of its declared type. A reference variable can be declared as a class or interface type. Virtual method. In this method, I will show you how the behaviors of OReturn method in Java allow you take advantages of polymorphism when designing our classes. We already have discussed method overriding where a child class can override a method in its parent. An overridden method is initially done in the parent class and is not invoked unless the child class use the super keyword within the overriding method. Polymorphism is one of the main aspects of object-oriented programming. The word polymorphism can be broken down into poly and morphism. As poly means many, morphs means form. In simple word, we can say that ability of a message to be represented in many forms. Scope of the article. This article explains polymorphism in Java and some real-life example. The following article will also explain two types of polymorphism. Example: runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism along with their example. The article also tells us about the characteristic advantages and disadvantages of polymorphism. Introduction. Let's understand the definition of polymorphism by an example. A lady can have different characteristics simultaneously. She can be a mother and a daughter or a wife. So the same lady possesses different behaviors in different situations. Another example of polymorphism can be seen in cartoon. As a cartoon, carbon can exist many forms. Example: a diamond, graphite, coal, etc. We can say that both woman and carbon show different characteristics at the same time according to the situation. This is called a polymorphism. Thank you.